boring videos.
Dude, I'm so bored. You want to go for a vacation?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
I don't know. You could.
I heard that they're building a new beach in San Francisco. You want to go there?
Yeah, sure.
I'm just gonna call the flight for going there. Dude, I can't even find the right airlines for us to go. Dude, I just found this new airlines that just came out of. It's called Avenger Airlines. I think it's good for you, buddy. So yeah. 9836868. Okay. Am I calling Avenger Airlines?
Yes, sir.
So I heard that you recently started your airline, so I need to book a business class tickets to Dallas, Texas to San Francisco.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. How many people?
It's 2 people. One is an adult and one is a kid.
Okay, sir. How are you gonna go?
We're gonna go and come back.
Okay, when, sir?
When we're going is today at 5 o'clock. If you have any immediate flights, do you have that?
Yes, sir. Sure.
And when I'm coming back is about August 12th.
Okay, sir.
So yeah.
Okay, sir. Your flight tickets are booked, and you should come at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Your flight departure time is at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. That's it.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, got the tickets. Bro, it's so cheap and good thing. Dude, he has a lot of mercy. It only cost us $99. It used to cost
No, that's cool.
$149. I think it's your luck, buddy. Okay, fly. Come on, back to your stuff, buddy. We should go. Got my favorite Harry Potter book. Dude, did you forget your perfume? Because you stink before. Yeah.
We could buy new
Okay,
perfume.
thank you. Clothes are good? Yeah. Are you done?
Yep.
Ooh, last thing. I need to call the hotel. Hello?
Hello, sir.
Do you have a branch in San Francisco? A
Yeah.
hotel?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you connect me there, sir? Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, sir. I don't want to do anything. I'm just going to play games.
Bro, this time. Oh, my boss connected to a customer. Hello, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
This is the San Francisco branch.
Oh, yes, sir.
I want to book a room today
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
at 5 p.m.
Okay.
Can it be a grand suite?
Oh, yeah, sure, sir.
And do you have food for the kids?
Yeah, of course. How many people, sir?
It's 1 adult and 1 kid.
Okay, sir. So, how many nights are you staying?
About 3 weeks.
Okay, sir. That's gonna be $450.
Sure, I'm gonna do it with my credit card.
Okay, sir. Sure.
In
Thank
online,
you.
okay?
Okay, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you. Bye.
Bye.
Were you the... Hello? Excuse me, sir?
Yes,
Were
sir.
the person who was calling me for a
Yeah,
grand
I'm
suite
that
room?
guy. I'm that guy.
Okay, sir. So, here is your card.
Oh, can you
Key
show us the room,
card?
please? Because this is a huge hotel.
Okay. I'm gonna show you.
Which way is it?
Oh, the room straight ahead. That's not your room, sir.
Okay, let me just... Whoa!
Whoa. Whoa, man.
There's an Xbox?
Yes, sir.
Well, there's a camera.
Thanks. It's kind of cool.
And there's snack bars.
Cool.
And this is one for.
It's kind of cool. Wow.
Oh, thank you.
That's blueberry.
And if you want to read some book and
Nah, we're not that like study kind of.
oh, and if you want to draw something, there's this art book to draw.
Thanks.
And sir, if you need anything, just call me.
Yeah, sure.
For tomorrow's breakfast, what do you want to have, sir? Pancakes.
Yeah, sure.
Eggs. Okay, sir. Pancakes, both
Yeah,
of you.
waffles. Like waffles. Oh, you know?
Pancakes.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Okay, sir. How many? 1, 2,
But, oh.
1, and you?
I'll have one.
Okay. 1 pancake. Okay, sir.
Certainly.
Okay, sir. If you need anything, just call me.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir. If you want to call me, you can use this iPad right here. Yes,
Or
sir.
the phone. I mean,
Okay, sir.
the phone is for playing.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
See you morning.
Yeah.
Bye.
Ooh.
Dude, it's really cool.
Yeah,
This
right?
one. I want to try the Xbox.
Yeah, we can play like any time, like when you're bored. Oh,
Do you even give us snacks? Cool.
I do.
Dude, I think
Bro,
someone's
Bro, something is inside that.
Oh, it's
Oh,
a
it's
tent.
the tent. It's the tent.
Wow, this room is kind of cool. They even give us an Xbox. Wow.
I wish we played.
They have a snack bar for free at the night.
Superstore.
I don't want to read any books, but I'm just looking. Wow.
There's
Impressed.
Monopoly.
We could try that at the night, for sure.
It's gonna take like 10 hours to finish it.
Is there like a spot
We have
where,
some iPads.
Dude, put this card somewhere safe.
Whoa, my God.
Take it.
Gotta put- Make sure
Dude,
we don't
they even
forget
give us
it.
some paintings.
Yeah, make sure we don't forget it when we have
Yeah.
the card. Or we have to buy another.
Oh, it's just kind of cool. I'm just gonna sleep.
So cool. You're gonna
I'm
sleep.
just gonna sleep.
Okay.
I got stressed out in the whole thing. Can you
Oh,
on the fan?
Yeah, sure. Should I put your clothes in or something?
No, I'm good. Ooh,
So
this is kinda
cool.
It's kind of cool in this room now.
Oh my God. It's so cool.
Here, let's go to sleep.
Okay.
It's kind of night.
Oh, there's Oma. I never saw it. Cool. This room is so cool. Dude. Are you sleeping? Okay, whatever.
Dude, call a waiter.
Okay. You want to be outside? Want your order? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah? Can you come to the room 1 minute?
Sure, sir. I don't know why were they calling me. Let me go. Come in?
Yeah.
Sorry, sir. I forgot to knock.
It's okay.
Sir, what do you need?
I mean, he called, but I called.
Okay.
You wake up.
Oh, he came?
Yeah.
What time are you gonna wake us up?
Oh, I mean, it's your wish,
Can you
sir.
put like an alarm at 8:55?
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. See you tomorrow morning. You want pancakes, right?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir. Bye. Whew. Done. I think they asked me to put an alarm. Sir? Excuse me, sir?
Oh, yeah. Whoa.
Sir, you asked me to wake you up.
Yeah, you wake up.
What happened? What's the time?
Oh, it's 8:55, sir.
Oh,
No, I mean, it's 8:56 now.
oh.
You just woke up 1 minute late.
Okay, sir, I'm gonna get you the pancakes.
Yeah.
Okay, I got the pancakes ready for them. Ma'am, can you please open the door? Thank you. Sir, your food is ready.
Oh, thanks.
Huh. Here you
Thank
go,
you.
sir.
Yeah.
You're welcome, sir. You didn't even turn on the blinds. It's so dark in here, sir. Okay, should I?
You sure?
Okay. Sorry for that. If you want to turn on the light, sir, you can. Sir, if you want to turn on the light, there's a lamp right there.
You sure?
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Dude, it's kind of good. Right?
Mhm.
Okay, I just lost it. Wow.
I just need to put a little more syrup. Yo, it's.
Dude, that's kind of boring in this YouTube.
I know. You wanna go outside? I saw
Yeah.
a garden.
I saw a garden there too. You wanna go there?
Yeah.
Come on, too, dude. Dude, there's a dog. Dude, what?
Is it lost or something?
Everybody there.
Is it lost or something?
Look around.
I don't know. Is it lost? I don't know where are we.
Is it a stray?
I don't know. It's a dog. Is he lost or something? We could keep him.
Sure.
He's
But
lost.
we came for a vacation though.
But it's okay. We could keep him. Because we have a lot of money.
Oh, he's kind of cool.
Yeah. I think he
Who
might
left
got
it?
lost. I don't know. Like someone might be left. Someone might left him
So
over
let's
here.
keep it for some time.
No.
I'm
I wanna keep it.
Owner.
I want to keep it.
No, let's wait for the owner.
Yeah,
Somebody
if we
might
didn't
claim
come
it.
until like night, so then
I'm
we
just
have
gonna
to
go
or
check
something.
house door, like if there's anybody there.
I'll go check this side, okay?
Okay. Dude, I found no one. Dude, I think. Oh no.
Whoa, how did he get untied? Oh, I don't know.
Let's look at them.
Oh, his name is Teddy,
The,
and I have my picture. I don't know. The number is not even there.
okay, does it have any address?
No.
Let's just wait for some time.
Yeah, until night or something or evening.
Dude, come this way.
Let's just take him for a walk or something. Cause I don't know, like no one's even like next to
Let
him.
me just see.
I don't know.
Like he's also with the leash, so.
Yeah, that means like someone came with the walk to walk, or they might just like tie over there. They might take home. Let's take him home.
But we don't
I
have
think
a home here.
I mean, to the hotel. They might.
I
let
don't
us-
think they could allow us with pets.
I think they could, cause
Yeah,
we could tell the truth to them, and
I
they'll
think
be
it's.
sad too. Cause
You wanna ask the
hopeless.
waiter if it's his dog?
I know. Oh yeah. I mean, the owner, like, he lives here, but
He's being alright.
I know, right?
You need to figure it out whose dog it
I'm
is.
so tired. Let's tell the waiter that we got him or something.
Yeah. Call the waiter. I'm just
Yeah, I'm gonna call him.
And tell him to bring some dog food.
Yeah,
He might be hungry.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah. So can you bring dog food? And we got a dog that lost outside.
Don't tell her. He's gonna be alert. Just
Okay, I don't understand. What do you think, sir?
Just bring some water and dog food, please.
I mean, why dog food? Humans can't eat dog food.
just bring it.
Just
Okay.
bring it, sir. You'll see.
Did you buy a dog?
No, not mine.
just bring it.
Just bring it.
Okay, sir. Oh, why did they even ask for dog water and dog food? Whew. Let's see.
Oh my God! It's you.
Okay. Oh, what? There's a dog?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you told. Okay, you're not allowed to bring dogs in here.
No, he's
But
a
this is-
stray. He's a stray.
No. Yeah.
I mean,
Stray
no,
dog.
he's not a stray, but like
He
somebody left him like in the garden.
He's
or
like
in the
homeless.
hotel.
He's like homeless.
So I
Okay.
think like it's
Drink
like
water.
us. ask like everyone like if they own like a dog and they lost it.
Oh.
I think it's like in your hotel garden.
Okay, I'll allow that. Don't tell this to anyone.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't tell this to the manager.
okay,
He's
okay.
gonna fire me.
Okay.
I'll fire you?
Yeah.
If you do the correct job and if he's somebody's dog and if you give him there,
Mhm.
I'm
Is this
gonna
your
I'm gonna
dog?
speak to your manager and make you give you a promotion, and make you the manager.
Okay, thank you. I'll go. I mean,
Yeah.
that dog really looks so cute.
Yeah. I think it's somebody's dog in the
I mean, he might be homeless
in the
too.
hotel
Yeah. Okay.
because he's also with the tag.
Yeah, he's also with the
He might be microchipped or
leash
something.
and.
Might be microchipped.
No, I don't think so. I think it's somebody's dog
Yeah.
because he's kind of trained too.
Okay, I'll leave.
Yeah. Dude, I think the waiter will take care of everything, and if he does a good job, I'm
We
like
need to go out for shopping.
So like we need to like get him some like
Yeah.
clothes and everything. I think,
Wow.
and we need. I'm kind of like I want to explore the whole like San Francisco, and like really enjoy the vacation.
You came in as your airline,
Yeah, I
so
think-
we need to do
I think we
everything
could trust the waiter for this.
So,
Yeah, we could go.
I think they are gone. Okay. Where's the dog? I'm gonna leave it in the animal shelter. Let's go. Let's take him. Okay. We're gonna go down.
Man, you got a lot of clothes. I think we need like. I think. What?
where's the dog?
Teddy,
Today?
I think he's under the bed.
What's it called? Okay.
Is he playing with the skateboard?
I don't know why would he.
Teddy, you got your clothes if you can understand
I
your
don't know.
language. I think the waiter took him. You want to ask him where he was?
Yeah, that's so.
I think you
Teddy?
were calling me.
Yeah. Where's the dog, dude?
The dog?
Yeah.
What dog?
Teddy.
Teddy. Oh, that dog? I don't know.
No, look, where's the dog, dude? I left it in the room.
I don't know.
Dude, keep finding it. Like, really, tell the truth. Where's the dog?
You might be under the.
Sir, I don't really know what you're talking about.
The dog. The one I asked you to get
I
get
know.
dog
What
food.
do you mean that I took it and...
Yeah,
I see
didn't
dog
even
hair on
hear.
your hand. And your shirt. Like, tell the truth, dude.
man.
Tell the
Okay,
truth.
sir. We gave it to the animal shelter. I gave it to the animal shelter.
Why?
Because-
It's somebody's dog already. How could you do that?
Because I don't want to get fired from this hotel.
Dude, it's somebody's dog in the ground floor. I looked at the address. I asked you to like look for some like.
But I thought I'll get fired before someone's gonna see
They
the
had
CC
permission
camera.
though. You could have just gave it to them.
But I thought I'll get fired and I gave it to the animal shelter.
You don't
Dude,
even
now we
need
can't get
to-
it back. Now like they're
Now
also
you're
looking
gonna
for
really
it.
get fired off us.
I'll try to get it back.
Like let's go find it. Like take me to the animal shelter and we need to go get it.
Okay. Let's go, sir. Come on, sir. Let's search.
Why search?
Okay, to tell you, sir, actually, I did not give it to the animal shelter.
You gave it to the some.
No, I left it somewhere in the road.
Where did you left it?
I don't know.
Dude, actually, where did you left it? Somebody's dog.
I don't know, sir.
You need to know where is he? Bro, you're the one who left him. You need to know.
Okay,
Bro,
let's go
it's-
search. I think he ran
You
away.
coulda-
Sir, I left it in this dog park.
Really?
Dude, even the gates were open.
Yeah, the gates were open and
I don't even see any dogs.
Yeah.
same here,
I
sir.
see one dog.
Tanish!
Oh!
I'm so
Daddy.
tired, dude.
We have to give it to your real friend and like, it was a nice time.
Teddy.
Bye, Teddy.
Okay, bye. Bye, buddy. High five. Okay, whatever. Bye.
Crap. Dude, we
Avatar.
did the bridge was kind of good, right?
Yeah.
The vacation.
That was
You had
amazing.
fun?
Yeah.
And we did something good.
Yeah.
And dude, get your bags. So we need to go. So our
it's so
flight is at 8 a.m. today. And it's already, bro, come on, let's go. It's already 7 a.m.
1 hour, dude.
Okay, I think They left? Oh, they left the dog. Okay, I'm gonna keep him. Ooh, I love this cute dog. I'm gonna take you home, buddy.